Teriyaki Hunter here, cruising around California. We're at the Tasty Kitchen. Just gonna get some stuff to go and head back out. Alright guys, so I made it out of that Tasty Kitchen. Teriyaki Hunter here. It's a Chinese takeout or dine-in restaurant. I was at the 85-degree cafe and I thought, man, might be some time for some Chinese food. I went in there and I asked, hey, you guys got any teriyaki chicken? And she said, not Hawaiian style, it's Chinese style. I said, oh, let's try it out. So, here it is. Teriyaki chicken. As you can see, it's a little different. The sauce drips down to the bottom, and it's got some, looks like some onions and some cut greens in there. We'll try it out. A little bit of sprinkle of sesame in there too, I can see. So we'll get some rice. We'll put some of that teriyaki on there. Let's eat this. Definitely different than other teriyaki chicken, but in a good way. Actually, the onions make it taste really good. Wow, this is really good actually. Chinese style teriyaki chicken. I'm digging it. Kind of tastes refreshing because it's not drenched in sauce. The sauce is kind of at the bottom, and it's not a thick sauce. It's kind of, you can see there, it's a little oily but thin. I don't know if you can see that on the plate. So it definitely tastes different. It tastes more chicken than you do sauce. If I had to give this a score on the Teriyaki Hunter scale, God, I'd say this is a 3.9, like that. Maybe even a low 4. Yeah, let's just put it at a 4.0 out of 5. And it's pretty good. Good because it's different. But yeah, it's not bad. And the cuts of the chicken are a little thinner, so it's easier to eat, not as thick and not as hard, I guess. Yeah, Tasty Kitchen. Good job on that Chinese teriyaki. I might have to try more different kinds of teriyaki now. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you've tried Chinese teriyaki before. And like I said, I thought it was pretty good. So do what you gotta do, let me know. And if you know a good place as good as this, Tasty Kitchen, let me know. This is in El Segundo, California. I'll put the address at the end of the video like I do for all the places I eat at. So yeah, tastes good. Alright, Tasty Kitchen, thanks.